All right, how's everybody doing? It's your wonderful host, Mr. Beak, here to solve a problem with you. Today we're going to be doing substitution. I'm just going to do one single problem, but before we do that, I have kind of an interesting thing to ask. I want you guys all to stand up out of your desks or your couches or whatever. I want you to stand up wherever you're at, okay? Is everyone standing? I hope so. Shayla, you standing? Casey? Okay. Now that you're standing, what I want you to do is I want you to raise your left hand as high as you can go. So right now you should be standing up with your arm raised high, looking like a goof, okay? Trust me on this one. Just hang with me. I'm going to show one problem. And now what I want you to do is lift your right leg up into the air and try to balance for as long as you can. We're going to balance with our left hand up and our right leg up. And we're going to try to balance for this entire problem, all right? Here we go. I hope you guys are doing this because it's kind of fun. If you're cool people, you're going to be standing up right now balancing. All right. So let's look at number 9. Number 9 is looking to me like a problem that's a little bit more difficult than what we did before. Always what we want is to get an x all by itself or a y all by itself so that we can take that and substitute it in for the other one. But in this case, I don't have one all by itself, and so I need to make one all by itself. Okay? I'm looking at the numbers. There's a -5, there's a 1, hint, hint. There's a -3, and there's a 6. Okay? Now that you guys are all balancing on one arm and one leg, shout out loud as you can, in your house, which variable we want to solve for. You're going to shout out x or y. Y! That's hopefully what you're saying. And now we're going to shout out in the first or the second equation. You're going to shout out first equation. All right, so we're solving for that one all by itself. Now, I want this to look like this. Y equals something, so I can plug it in. All right? Keep balancing, you guys. You got it. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 5x to that side. I'm going to add 5x to that side. It's going to cancel. Balancing, you're probably feeling the burn, your arms kind of hurting, your legs hurting, you're probably wobbling over. Keep it up, guys. This is going to be 5x minus 2, okay? I'm going to take that and substitute it in for y. When I rewrite this one, it's going to be -3x plus 6y equals -12. Keep balancing, 5x minus 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute that out, and it's going to give me 30x minus 12 equals -12. This is a -3x, and that's going to give me 27x minus 12 equals -12. Oh man, what kind of answer is it going to be here? When I add 12, I'm going to get 27x equals 0, and divide by 27, you get x equals 0. That's half my answer there, you guys. We're balancing on one arm and one leg. Still, if you wobbled, it's no problem. Keep going, okay? We're going to take that x equals 0, and we're going to plug it back in for the x right there. We're going to get y equals 5 times 0 minus 2. Y equals 0 minus 2. Y equals -2. Done. Yes. All right. If you did that standing on one foot, you can put your arms and legs down. Nice job. You can take a seat. You earned this. Nice job, you guys. 7 PBIS blue slips for each one of you that just did that. Okay, I'm very, very proud of you. All right. Hey, you take care. Let me know if you have any questions.